Hey guys, welcome back to myToyS series. Today we're going to be opening Foodie Roos plushie cereal thing. Foodie Roos cereal. I look, smell, and feel like my favorite food. Look at this, she's so cute. Let's take out the back. There's one continents, one collector sheet, one instruction sheet, one bonus sticker, one Foodie Roo plushie. You could either get the chocolate, the Fruity Pebbles, or the chocolate, or one mystery. Now let's open it. My hands are not functional. It's gonna work someday. Can you give me the keys? Let's get this thing open. Oh my god, we got the Fruity Pebbles. I can feel it.
It's squishy, squishy.
I feel it. There is a sticker sheet, a collector, and strict structure. Wow, there's an eye sticker. How do you do this? Okay, poked out the eye sticker. Kind of broke it, but who cares? We got this. We got the collector sheet. We got the cereal one. We got Fruity Puck Puck. Fruity Puck Puck is an early bird who always starts the day with a sweet treat. Now let's open this plushie. He smells so good.
Smell like what? Cereal.
Sweet stuff.
Cereal. That's what it said on the package. Is cereal.
It feels like cereal. Can you guys hear it?
Yeah.
Can also open this. There's literally a house. Oh yeah, there's squares. Twine. Why did they do this? It's so hard to open the twine. It's literally knotted. Got the twine open. Got both of these rooms. The window. Let's stick the sticker. How do you do this? Let me go check. Sticker, collectors. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Where's this? He said we gotta put sticks down. But the problem is, yeah, now we're gonna take the other one, bucket, and then what else? Okay, now let's put the stickers. it here. Even though it's not lined up, I'm going to leave it anyways. There's so many other things to put. I'm lazy, but I'm not going to put it. I'm going to do it next time. So bye guys, see you next time in my next part. Bye.